loves, welcome back to my channel. I have a new video for you guys today. This is followed by my favorite video. It is such a stunning look. I love emerald green and this whole look came together so beautifully. Starting off with prepping the eyes with the MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre, my holy grail. Nothing beats this product, it's the best. And then I'm using the Too Faced Pumpkin Spice palette. I'm going in with the shade Spice Spice Baby and Falling For You in the crease. I love this palette. It smells so good and it's so pigmented, and I feel like it's the perfect palette for fall. And yeah, it's just, I haven't put this palette down. I'm literally using it every single day. So I'm just applying those two shades in the crease. And then for the outer corners, I'm going in with Cocoa Drizzle and Warm and Cozy. And then I'm moving on to the lids. I'm using a green base to make the emerald green shadow pop, and I'm just using a Too Faced liquid lip for that. This little trick works really well when you want to work with some bright colors on the eyes. And I'm just going to apply that on the lids, and then I'm going to use a flat shader brush to just kind of blend that out. So if you guys have like a gel liner or like a liquid base, cream base product, I would recommend that over this. And then I'm also going in with a little bit of dark brown and carbon matte black shadow from MAC in the outer corners. And then I'm going in with the Huda Beauty Emerald Obsessions. I love this palette. I'm just going in with an emerald green shade on the lid. Now this is the Star product. This is what's going to give you that really beautiful shimmery lid. And you want to press that right across the lid. And then I'm moving into eyeliner, MAC Brushstroke Liner in black. I'm just wiping off any fallout, and then I'm going to move on to reapplying my moisturizer. And I'm using the La Mer Soft Cream, no surprise there, the best. I'm moving on to prepping the lips, the Charlotte Tilbury Lip Plumper. Next, moving on to Liquid Glow, my favorite part, I'm using the Goldgasm Beauty Wand from Charlotte Tilbury. All of her Liquid Glow products, all of her complexion products are so beautiful and so nice for dry skin. I feel like this stuff is so beautiful. It works over foundation, under foundation. It's just such a gorgeous product. You could wear it on its own and you'll be just glowing. And then I'm moving on to the Vitamin Glow primer from Smashbox. I use this like every time I do my makeup. It's the best. So now moving on to Correct and Conceal. I'm using my holy grail MAC the Pro and Conceal Correct palette, and this is in the shade Dark. I love that it has the corrector shade in there. It has a few concealer shades so you can mix and match. It's just the easiest palette to use, and it's just so creamy and it blends in so nicely. And as you guys can see, everything's gliding so beautifully, and that's like the whole prep routine. That's why I feel like prepping your skin is so important. Like, it's just the most important step to me. Moving on to foundation, I'm going in with the MAC Studio Fix Fluid. I love this stuff. I used to wear this all the time when I used to work at Sephora. It is such a beautiful foundation. I just recently rediscovered and started loving it. You know when you stop using a product because new things launch and then you go back to it and you're like, wow, why did I stop using you? Like, you're the best. You're so good. That's how I feel about this foundation. I just love it so much. So as you guys can see, a really nice thin layer of that gives you that beautiful full coverage. another classic favorite, the NARS Natural Radiant Concealer. This stuff is so good, especially if you have dry skin. It's a beautiful medium coverage concealer, and I feel like it's buildable, and it's just so good. A little tip, if you guys want to conceal any dark spots or any blemishes, go in with a shade that's more closer to your skin tone, or even a shade deeper than lighter, because if you go in with a lighter shade, it's going to highlight those marks and spots. Moving on to cream contour, I'm using the Maybelline concealers. This is the Fit Me concealer in the shade Cocoa. I have been using this for a very long time as well. I feel like if you guys go through my old YouTube videos, this is the only product I use because it's so thin but pigmented and it doesn't overdo it. Let me just leave it at that. It doesn't overdo it, and I just love it. And it's a drugstore product, you can't go wrong. To set the skin and bake, I used the Fenty Loose Powder, Pro Filter Powder in the shade Banana. And then I'm using the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Give Me Sun to bronze the skin. So moving on to blush. Oh my god, I need to catch my breath. I am using Gingerly Blush from MAC. Gingerly Blush from MAC. Blush. And Taj Mahal Blush from NARS. Yeah. And then for glow, I'm using the Danessa Myricks In Light Illuminator. This is like a loose powder illuminator, so it gives you that really striking strobe glow. Just highlighting all of the high points. So for liners, I'm using two, one from Urban Decay, another one from Charlotte Tilbury. Both are so beautiful, I couldn't pick which one, so I used both. I will list the exact names of those down in the description box as well. Again, I love a pop of color on the lower lash line. I feel like it ties the whole look together. If you guys agree, thumbs up this video. And then moving on to lashes, I am using the MAC Extended Play Giga Black Lash Mascara, another holy grail favorite. This is gonna be the best part of the video. Oh my god. I'm just cleaning off my lips with a makeup wipe, prepping my lips with Prep and Prime, and get a good coat of that, smooth that out throughout the lips with your fingertips. Line your lips with a nude lip liner of your choice. I'm using Chestnut here. Cork is also a beautiful liner, or even Plum, or any lip liner you love, honestly, anything. But I think the brown lip liner really pulled this look together with the lip color. I've been using this liquid lipstick every single day. I haven't put it down. It's like, how do I explain it? It's like your favorite pinky nude lipstick and your favorite peachy nude lipstick, mine is Velvet Teddy, had a baby. So good. It is the MAC Powder Kiss liquid lipstick in the shade Date Maker. It is such a beautiful shade. It is very close to my natural lip color, which was and still is very hard to find. So this, they did it. I can't touch anything else. This is the perfect. Do you guys see that? Do you guys see that? And then I realized, I'm like, I need a little bit more of a pinky blush. So I went in with a mineralized blush from MAC, and it tied everything together so perfectly. You guys, look at that lip. Look at that skin. I've never been so proud of a look. I'm obsessed. I also went over the skin with the Beauty Blender. I set my face with the Magic Radiance and the All Nighter Setting Spray. Thank you so much. If you made it till the end of this video, you are a real one. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, let me know what you guys would like to see next, and I will see you guys in my next video. Love you so, so much.